Alright, so I almost got these door panels finished up. Got the speakers in, still got to work out how to get the handle to work. I think I'm just going to put some spacers in between where the handle bolts on to bring it out a little bit more so it doesn't rub right here. And then I just got to take them off and paint them and then get working on the rear and on the dash. So I'm just going to throw up a couple of songs, so you guys can have a listen.
How girl on days, 100 kids on me, all I do is swear. Yep, I can't help but ball, like the boys do when they on steroids. New toys, brand new cars, stay strapped in like brand new bras. Little roll on them handlebars, the pills was blue and the juice was orange. Great goose, yeah, the goose was clear. Let y'all guess why gloss was smeared. I stay drunker than a motherfucker. Down on stretching it, working with the stove, man. Yeah, I'm hustle it, I'm muscle it, I'm not struggling. Rap game, trap game, now I'm juggling. DJ scream, scream. Down is ugly. Pull up to the club, throw it, make your woman push away. I'm planting, I'm planting, busting down the plastic, walking with the gases. Got you working with the stove. Everything a nigga got, man, you get it out the boat. Now it's back on, got you working with the stove. Everything a nigga got, man, you get it heavy, boy. Call it payday, straight up out the bay, yeah, whipping grade A. My nigga got it, bustin' out the bag, homie, anything you need, there is nothing I don't have. I'm restricted on my chill, till it's time to take a trip. Phone call from my club, back on, time to chill. I got Cali for the dollar, I got beans for the buy, I got pints of the blood, if you need it, I supply. That was back on, make you wanna thank me. Whipping up some shit, they got the whole house thanky. Cram in the play, my nigga Gucci in the A. Praise the bill, I'm trying to get it, what they talking on the day.
Alright, I'll call that it for now. Probably not going to get a lot done on these door panels in the next week or anything because I've got tennis every week and just basically stuff like that. But I'll let you guys know what happens.